Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing my brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. It's the black version. It is a really big upgrade from Galaxy Buds, the simple ones without the plus. They have Bluetooth connection 5.0, almost double the playtime because on the others it's around 6.5 hours and these go up to 11 hours. And also the driver settings, which now have two-way speaker for each sound, which is a really big improvement over the other generation. And they have really good noise cancelling because they have triple mix microphones inside. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. My girlfriend has the Galaxy Buds Simple ones. So this is some paperwork up here. These are the buds themselves. This is the USB type. No, I'm mistaken. I forgot. There is something extra. So this up top is USB Type C mic, cable for charging. Okay, put this aside because I will use my Galaxy Note 10. And up here you have the other sizes for your ear, so the Galaxy Buds don't fall out of your ear. Okay, this is the buds themselves. Let's remove the cover. So the box is really glossy, as you can see. They are tuned by AKG. Here up top is the USB Type C charging port, and down we can find some specs. They are made in Vietnam. Let's get to the buds themselves. As you can see, oh, my bald head, you can see in the buds themselves. Here is the little tiny left and right specification, so you don't mistaken them. The buds also have the proximity sensor, is the black round thingy there, or that's the magnet. Either way, they have the proximity sensor, so when you put them in the ears, they automatically connect to your phone. And this part is also, if you press one, it's a play or answer call. If you press twice, you can skip to the next song. If you press 3 times, it goes back back song. So okay, let's see where are the other two mic entrances. I'm really curious right now. So this up top is one mic hole. Oh, they also are a fingerprint magnet. Okay. So the main improvement over the last generation is the battery life, which I'm really pleased to see that this has improved, because you will reduce your time of charging. The Bluetooth 5.0, it's also a very good addition. And the compatibility with Samsung devices, I'll be using it with my Note 10 Plus. It's a very welcome addition. I will be mostly using the headsets in the gym, Okay, I'll be using my headset in the gym because in my gym there is really crappy music lately playing, and it's not very fun to listen to it and do your workout. Okay, so this was my unboxing of Galaxy Buds Plus from Samsung. Thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and have a nice day.